Energy. Time to warm up. Energy is what I get by eating everything I like. Time to know. Energy lights our cities, powers our vehicles, and runs machinery in factories. It warms and cools our homes, cooks our food, plays our music, and gives us pictures on television. Energy is defined as the ability or the capacity to do work. We use energy to do work and make all movements. When we eat, our bodies transform the food into energy to do work. When we run or walk or do some work, we burn energy in our bodies. Cars, planes, trolley, boats, and machinery also transform energy into work. Work means moving or lifting something, warming or lighting something. There are many sources of energy that help to run the various machines invented by man. The rate at which energy is produced or consumed is called power. Energy and power are the master words in this century. Energy means the capacity to do work. Energy resources on Earth are of the following types. Forms of energy: mechanical energy, leaping frog, moving automobile; thermal energy, melting ice cream, heating soup; electromagnetic energy, visible light, infrared radiation, radio waves; electrical energy, power lines, lightning; chemical energy, foods people eat, striking a match; nuclear energy, nuclear fusion inside the Earth's core, nuclear fusion, sun and stars. Types of energy. There are two types of energy: renewable energy, non-renewable energy. Renewable, inexhaustible energy resources. These are biomass-based and available in unlimited amount in nature because there can be renewal over a relatively short period of time. Example: firewood, plant biomass, agriculture waste as biogas, animal dung, solar energy, wind energy, water energy. Types of renewable energy. Renewable energy: solar energy, biomass, wind energy, geothermal, hydropower. Solar energy. Most renewable energy comes either directly or indirectly from the sun. Sunlight or solar energy can be used directly for heating and lighting homes and other buildings, for generating electricity, and for hot water heating, solar cooling, and a variety of commercial and industrial uses. Solar energy now powers everything from portable radios to homes, stores, and neighborhoods. Biomass. Along with the rain and snow, sunlight causes plants to grow. The organic matter that makes up those plants is known as biomass. Biomass can be used to produce electricity, transportation fuels, or chemicals. The use of biomass for any of these purposes is called bioenergy. Plant materials such as wood, corn, and soya account for nearly half the renewable energy in America. but it's not always sustainable. Wind energy. The sun's heat also drives the winds, whose energy is captured with wind turbines. Then, the winds and the sun's heat cause water to evaporate. When this water vapor turns into rain or snow and flows downhill into rivers or streams, its energy can be captured using hydroelectric power. Geothermal energy. The process involves trapping heat underground, then building energy that rises near the surface in the form of heat. When this energy naturally creates hot water or steam, it is harnessed and then used to turn a steam turbine to generate electricity. Reservoirs of steam and hot water beneath the Earth's surface hold enormous potential as a renewable energy resource. Hydropower. The energy in the flowing water can be used to produce electricity. Waves result from the interaction of the wind with the surface of the sea and represent a transfer of energy from the wind to the sea. Energy can be extracted from tides by creating a reservoir or basin behind a barrage and then passing tidal waters through turbines in the garbage to generate electricity. Non-renewable or exhaustible energy resources. These are available in limited amount and develop over longer period of time. Example: coal, mineral oil, natural gas, and nuclear power. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are common sources of energy, being organic in origin. They are called on fossil fuels. Types of non-renewable energy. Fossil fuels, coal, natural gas, nuclear power. Fossil fuels. A fuel such as coal, oil, or natural gas that is formed in the earth from dead plants and animals. Fossil fuels include coal, petroleum, and natural gas. They all contain carbon and were formed as a result of geologic process acting on the remains of mostly plants and animals that lived and died hundreds of millions of years ago. Coal. A black or brownish-black solid combustible substance formed by the partial decomposition of vegetable matter without free access of air and under the influence of moisture and often increased pressure and temperature, that is widely used as a natural fuel. Natural gas. A mixture of hydrocarbon gases that occurs with petroleum deposits, principally methane, together with varying quantities of ethane, propane, butane, and other gases, and is used as a fuel in the manufacture of organic compounds. Natural gas is used for cooking and heating as well as making a number of products such as plastics, fertilizers, and medicines. Nuclear power. In most electric power plants, water is heated and converted into steam, which drives a turbine generator to produce electricity. Fossil fueled power plants produce heat by burning coal, oil, or natural gas. In a nuclear power plant, the fission of uranium atoms in the reactor provides the heat to produce steam for generating electricity. Time to recall. Energy means the capacity to do work. Most renewable energy comes either directly or indirectly from the sun. The organic matter that makes up those plants is called as biomass. The energy in the flowing water can be used to produce electricity. Fossil fuels supply nearly 90% of the energy used by industrially developed nations. Natural gas is used for cooking and heating as well as making a number of products such as plastics, fertilizers, and medicines. Fossil-fueled power plants produce heat by burning coal, oil, or natural gas. For summative and formative assessment, conceptual understanding. Time to answer. Answer the following questions. Define energy. What are the benefits of energy? What are the various sources of energy? What do you understand by the term fossil fuels? What are the types of renewable energy? What are the types of non-renewable energy? Define biomass. Define solar energy. Define nuclear power. Conceptual understanding. Oral questions for FA. Fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. Energy is the capacity to do. Most renewable source of energy comes from. The is the main source of energy. The organic matter is called. Natural gas is used for. Clue kit. Cooking, biomass, sunlight, sun, work. Hot questions. Write yes or no to the following statements. We get energy from many sources. We use energy to run cars. We do not need energy to play. Water is non-renewable energy. Wind is a renewable source of energy. Classify the items into renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. Information skills. Renewable, non-renewable. Natural gases, water power, oil, nuclear power, geothermal energy, wind, coal, solar energy. For formative assessment. Time to do project work. Complete the chart. Life skills. Energy conservation is a very important part of energy planning and its management. It saves energy resources for future, avoids wasteful utilization of energy, provides solution to energy crisis. For example, a lot of electricity can be saved by using energy-efficient lamps. The super glue gives 20% more light and saves up to 10% energy.